We ended the last chapter with silent worlds. Planets that had lost their heat, their skies and their chemistry. Cold stone thin air, nothing moving. But not every planet ends in silence. Some worlds reverse direction. As planets drift farther from their stars, the environment around them changes. Temperatures fall. Hydrogen, the lightest element in the universe, slows down. What once escaped into space can no longer flee. Layer by layer, hydrogen begins to accumulate. At first it is thin, then it thickens. And slowly the atmosphere outweighs the rock beneath it. The planet changes identity. There is no longer a surface in the familiar sense, only pressure, clouds. Depth. As this massive atmosphere grows, it compresses the interior. Frozen cores are no longer frozen. Pressure becomes heat. Heat becomes motion. Deep inside, materials that were once silent begin to flow again. Convection returns. The planet's internal engine is not reborn. It is forced back to life. Above that hidden engine, storms begin to rise. Not storms that touch land, but storms that never end. Clouds fall into clouds. Energy circulates endlessly inside a world made almost entirely of sky. Gravity strengthens as mass increases. Debris that once passed harmlessly by is no longer free. It is captured, moons begin to gather. Fragments organize into orbits. Rings appear, frozen motion tracing the planet's growing influence. This is the giant stage of a planet's life. It is not youth, it is not old age. It is power, but power does not mean permanence. Even giants are temporary. Their heat will fade again. Their motion will slow again, and their storms will one day quiet. In the next chapter, you will see how even the largest worlds decline, and why Earth for now is different. One cycle, infinite worlds, the series continues.